We'll guide you through how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
By the end of this video, you will have Java installed, Visual Studio Code ready, and everything properly connected so you can start using Java without any issues. So let's get started. First, open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just search for Java and hit enter. Scroll down until you find the Java from Oracle and just click on the website. From here, just click on download Java and scroll down and you will see the latest version which are available right now. And as you can see, JDK 26 is the latest version, so we will go down and select JDK 26 if it is not already selected, and scroll a little bit down and you will see different operating system. Just choose the operating system that you are using, and in my case I'm using Windows, so I will just download the exe file. Make sure to download the exe file as this is the most simplest and easiest way. Just click on it to start downloading the installer, and as you can see, our download has been successfully started, so we will just wait for it to finish. And after it has finished downloading, just click on it to open the setup wizard. It may take some time to load, so be patient. And as you can see, our installation wizard has appeared, so we will just click on next and just click on next. Or if you want to change the path, you can just change the path from here, but I'll just click on next and you will see our installation has successfully started. So we will just wait for the installation to complete. And as you can see, our download has been successfully finished, so we will just click on close. Now the next important step is to set up the environment variable so your system can recognize Java command. Just open your file explorer and go to your C drive. From C drive, just go to your program files, and from here search for your folder Java and just click on it and go to the folder that starts with JDK and just click on it and go to bin. And once you are in the bin, just right click on the address bar and make sure to copy the address. And after copying the address, just go to your Windows search bar and search for environment variable. And from the recommendation, just open the environment variable, and once the pop-up appears, just click on environment variable and find the path under system variables and just double click on it to enter, and just click on new and enter the path that we copied earlier by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and click on OK. Click on OK once again and click on OK to save the changes. To verify if Java is installed correctly, we will just open our command prompt, and in the command prompt we will just type the following command. We will just type jvac space double hyphen and version and hit enter. If you see a version number like so, Java is successfully installed and configured. Just open your browser once again, and in the new tab just search for Java on VS Code and hit enter. Now from here you will see Java in Visual Code. Just click on it to open, and from here scroll down and you will see install the coding pack for Java. If you are using Windows, just download the window or select Mac OS if you are using Mac. In my case, I'm just gonna go with Windows. And as you can see, our setup exe file is downloading, so we will just wait for it to finish, and once downloaded you will just click on it to open the setup wizard and just accept the terms and agreement and click on next and just click on install and wait for the installation to complete. And as you can see, it has been successfully completed. Click on finish. Now VS Code will open, and now your setup is almost done. Now just open your terminal, and in the terminal just type javac and give it a space double hyphen and type version and hit enter. If it shows the version number, that means Java is properly connected with VS Code. You can also go to the extensions at the left hand side and scroll down and confirm that Java related extensions are already installed. This ensures that features like code suggestion and error checking will work properly when you start coding. And that's it.